Hello guys, I'm Sharid and I'm gonna present 7 pictures I took by visiting the Museum of Gold in Bogota, Colombia. So the first one, it helped us to identify where is the exit of the place. And the second one is the same objective, but here the image is telling us how we can go there. Going downstairs is the different aspect here. The next one is next to the lift, and with this image we are able to identify that we cannot use the lift if there is no an emergency present. Okay, the next one is a warning because we cannot take pictures there using flash. All right, and this picture, it's really interesting because it tells us that there inside of the bag is something important. It's a resource to help handicapped people, or probably an emergency happen and they need something to move or something to go downstairs, so we are able to use that resource to help that people. This one is to recognize where we can throw garbage, and the last one is a guidance or instructions to protect us due to COVID-19, like wash your hands and try to keep distance a certain amount of meters between another person. All right?
Hi everyone, this is Lisa. Today we're going to analyze and discuss some specific pictures that I took during my visit to the Grand Plaza Mall, and also we're going to check in those pictures some signs that we have all over the building, and those signs are going to help us to maybe get some information or maybe to prevent some actions. So in this case, the first picture that we have is this yellow sign. So normally in Colombia, when you have a yellow sign, it's a warning or preventive sign. And they're going to help us to understand some information. For example, we have here this symbol. Of course, we also have the meaning or the definition, but the most important thing is the symbol, because when we're going to see this symbol in any building, we're going to know that it's dangerous for us to go there. So it's going to be like a preventive sign. The second picture is a really common sign that we can find in schools, universities, mall, museums, and all that stuff. Normally, they are regarding male and female, and we're going to find those specific signs in most of the places. But normally, we also are going to have another one that is from a mother with her baby, because we have a specific bathroom for them also, and we're going to have this in order to help us to go to the right place. The third picture is for this specific sign. We're going to find this frequently in most of the places, but the thing is that we're not going to have it in the same place because it's going to depend. So normally some people are going to be cleaning this specific place, and we're going to have this sign in order to prevent something, because normally the floor is wet. Also, we are going to find this green sign that is going to help us to understand where to go in emergency situations such as natural disaster. Normally, those signs are going to have an arrow providing us with the correct direction to follow. Another one that we can have is this specific red sign. So in this, we're going to have normally a symbol, and we're going to have the name. In this case, this is a cabinet fire, and it's going to help us to locate the specific object also for emergency situations. We also can find this sign that is really common, and we're going to have a lot of them all over the building. Normally, they're going to have signs regarding specific things that we have inside the building. So for example, in this case, we have the lift, and we also have the bathroom and the parking lot. So normally we're going to have this in order to locate easily the places where we want to go.
As a kind of reflection or conclusion, those pictures, images, signs, logos that we have all the time in our routine, in our lifestyles, yeah, those spaces, they are really important to help us to get what we want and what we need, or what we need to help someone. All right, for example, if I want a shirt from Zara, I just need to find the logo of the brand, and that's it, I'm gonna get one, right? Or if someone needs help, we need to locate, all right, what is the resource where we can find something to help that person. So we need to review, we need to analyze those signs around that place to get help.
And just to complete the conclusion that my partner already did, I would like to say that, for example, in malls, those specific signs are really important to us because those places are really big and we can easily get lost. So normally, if we can just check those specific signs, we're going to be able to easily find the places where we want to go. And we're going to also have some information to prevent some things, or maybe just to keep in mind another type of things. So they're going to be really important to have a pleasing experience